Hello, Karin here. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for our sock of the month for the month of April. And of course, if you are a member of our Sock of the Month Club, you will have already received your red iconic box that has all your goodies in it. But for those of you who aren't members and you're curious to know what everybody got or what you could have gotten, why don't you just stay tuned and watch? Let's open the box. So first of all, we always have some kind of a riddle or a joke, or there's always something in the top of the box. And in this case, it looks like it's a riddle. And it says, I was worried I might get caught stealing various kitchen utensils, ... But I had to remind myself, ... That's a whisk I'm willing to take. Okay, so that is our joke for the month, and as you can see, we have some really interesting people working here. I always have to laugh at them. I don't know if it's because they're so silly or just because we do that, but apparently people are enjoying it. Anyways, let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, candy. We also always have a treat in our box. And Kyle is the one who picks the treats, and he's picking some really interesting things. So today we have these trolleys, sour bite, crawlers, minis. I mean, how many things can you fit in there? You have 880 glorious calories that will help you get through your afternoon and then let you crash. So if you're interested in that, it's in your box. And I do like these, I must say. All right, then we also have another little goodie for you in there. And these are the Addy-to-Goes. Oh, I love the Addy-to-Goes. Now, if I would have known there were Addy-to-Goes in here, because I didn't look at the box yet, I would have got some needles to show you how they work. But they have this little spring mechanism, and let me, oh, well, look, okay, I don't have two needles, but I have an Afghan hook, and I have one needle. And it's a wooden needle. I don't even know whose it is. But the way these Addy-to-Goes work is you push the lever in and you can put your needles through there. Oh, and well, the one is too small for this size. There's a big size and a small size, and it holds it in place. So let's see if we can fit them both in the small one so I can show you how it actually does work. So there you go. That is how it works. It holds the two needles together, and that will keep your work from falling off. So you're getting two Addy-to-Goes. You're getting the small size, and you're getting a big size. Those are in there. And then, of course, there's got to be yarn in here. Always nicely wrapped in tissue. Oh, and this month our yarn is Wunderkleckse. This is the Wunderkleckse. And as you can probably presume by the looks of the ball, if you're an avid knitter, it comes from Schöppelwolle, the same company who does the Zauber balls. But Wunderkleckse is a really unique way, the way it's dyed. They actually knit this up, then they hand paint it. They rinse it, let it dry, and then they take it apart and they put it on the ball. And what you end up is with some really unique patterns in the actual yarn. So you can also tell that the yarn is slightly kinky, and that is because it has already been knitted, painted, and taken apart again. So let's see what kind of a pattern we have. So this month we have Heartwood socks. And here's a photo of them on a foot. I'm hoping you can see that. This is a pattern that was based on a pattern by Betty Salpikar, and she actually wrote a book that we do sell, and in that book she does a very unique construction on how to make socks. And so she gave us permission to use that construction if we designed our own sock. And so Jen Burt designed the sock for us. And so it's not toe up, it's not cuff down, it's from the bottom out. So you're gonna use a Judy's cast on here, and then you're going to be knitting in the round and working all the way up the sock. There you go. It's a very, very unique construction. You can see we have the beautiful patterning that is created from the Wunderkleckse there. And this is a pretty dark sock. We haven't done a lot of dark brown socks in our Sock of the Month Club, so it's a little bit of an alternative. This could be worn by a man or a woman, and it looks a little funky here, and your socks are not going to match That's for sure. But you know what? They don't all have to match. So they're great socks, and we hope that you enjoy making them. There's also going to be a little slip of paper in your box so that if you have a Ravelry account and you'd like to download the pattern into your Ravelry account, you can do so. And boy, I think that's it. And I'm starting to salivate. I just, you know, when you think it's sour, and these little crawlers, you know what? As soon as the camera's off, I'm going to eat these. Anyways, I thank you for watching. We will have another Sock of the Month Club unboxing next month. That will be for the month of May. Not quite sure what it's going to be, but we will see. If you're interested in signing up for a subscription, you can do so online. Just go to our website, makersmercantile.com. Go to subscriptions, and it'll tell you exactly how to do it. You do not have to, let's put it this way, you don't have to renew every month. It automatically gets shipped, but at any time if you want to cancel, you can. We make it really easy to do so, but we get very few cancellations. People really do enjoy what we're sending them. That is it for today. We will see you next month. Have a great month. Ciao.